Hello, this is Chuck, and I just wanted to show you what happens when you hire a professional web designer. So this is my client's former website. I'm just about to switch over the domain, and I just wanted to document the situation here. Great site, lots of information, pretty good SEO. His blog is popping, let me tell you. Blogs for days. Great job, great job. But sometimes building on the wrong platform really can affect your business negatively. So here's the new site I built for him. Let's get my face out of the way here. Take a peek. Look at this. It's adorable. Some of the links are broken because I haven't migrated the domain yet, but isn't this great? I'm like really proud of it. So I'm like, yeah, that's nice. It's got like a funnel now, so you can like download his ebook and all kinds of stuff. But the moral of the story is it's okay to hire a professional to help you with your website because Paul is an incredible coach, not a website developer. So now he can go focus on doing what he loves to do. And I love that for him. So the moral of the story is have a great day, hire a professional, and use DropFunnels if you're cool.